everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a delicious salad dressing for you, and it's super easy. It's made from ingredients you probably already have on hand, with the exception of a couple fresh things that you'll want to pick up at the market. This creamy bacon ranch dressing is amazing, and I can't wait to show you how it all comes together. We're gonna get started making our classic retro recipe wedge salad, a steakhouse. We're gonna be making a creamy bacon ranch style dressing, and we're gonna be using this on a California club salad that I'll have coming up in a future video. But dressing for your salad is so easy to make, and I've been making you more and more of them because it's summertime, and eating nice cool salads is a lovely way to not have to cook a whole lot in the kitchen and heat up your house. And this dressing is going to be spectacular on just about anything you want to put it on. We're going to start off with the creamy base, and this is a base you can use for just about any creamy dressing, and then you can flavor it up from there. 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1 cup of buttermilk, and a half a cup of sour cream. Today we're going to be making a bacon ranch dressing, so we're going to need some bacon. I have a half a cup of cooked crumbled bacon, and I also, after it was cooked and drained, I went ahead and I ran my knife through it just to pulverize it a little bit more. I have a tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley, a tablespoon of fresh chopped dill, a tablespoon of honey. You can use agave nectar here. I also have a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. That is optional, but it's gonna add a nice smoky flavor to this dressing. And then we're gonna season it up. A teaspoon each. Onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, cracked black pepper, and you can use regular salt, but I have used today some smoked salt. And I will leave a link down below to some of these items that you can find on an Amazon shopping list if you're interested in grabbing them for your own pantry. I'm gonna go ahead and toss everything right in here. In with our mayonnaise, our sour cream, buttermilk, our honey, and our smoked salt go right on in there. And now I'm gonna give this a bit of a whisk just to get everything combined really well. Now we're gonna add our seasonings and give it another stir. Our bacon, our parsley, and our fresh dill. And that's it. Stir it up really well. Now I do recommend that you stick this in a jar or an airtight container in your fridge for a couple of hours before you plan on using it, because all those flavors are going to marry and it's going to taste amazing. I'm going to give this a taste to see if it needs anything else. Taste that.
Wow, that is amazing.
That's really good. This is incredible. So now all you need to do is put it in an airtight container. I'm going to transfer this to a mason jar, and I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, there you have it. Our creamy bacon ranch dressing, and we put it on top of this beautiful California club style salad that's inspired by a California club sandwich, and that's going to be coming up in a different video. Just stay posted to the channel and you'll be sure to see it. So that was super easy. I love making homemade salad dressing because it's super affordable. You already have most of the ingredients. If you don't have the fresh herbs, feel free to use the dry. It's totally okay. And it's gonna come out just as delicious. Just make sure that you let it set in the fridge for a while so that all those flavors have time to marry and those dry herbs have time to kind of bloom and lend their oils into the dish. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you liked the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you are new to my kitchen, you wandered on over to see what was happening, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. And as always, if you are tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a push notification on your smart device or a message in your email box every time we upload a new video. I hope that you give this creamy bacon ranch dressing a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.